What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid that every single month, guys. So a sale is very important in this system, much more valuable than anything else, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to see if we get a sale. Okay, guys? All right, so right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal at all. It's something you can't really worry about when it comes to making money online, guys. It's like worrying about if you're failing right away, it's a right away or something like that. It's always a point of consistency that really kind of pushes you over that edge and gets you to where you need to be when it comes to income. All right, guys, so anyway, guys, the first thing that we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna get you your links. If you want to try to promote this product, you need the link to promote it, right? And before we get to that, I want to show you guys my link once this loads up here. It's taking a long time to load, so I might just have to skip that step. But any of the links work, guys. Any of the links work. You can use any one you want. All right. So the first and foremost that we're gonna do here is you go to my description there. You're gonna see step 1, step 2. One gonna say incomespeech.com. We're gonna click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here. All right, guys, this page here is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, so on and so on. You know what I mean? And ultimately, it's a funnel builder. And what a funnel builder is like a series of websites to get you to buy something, right? And the most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels. They can charge over $100 because they were first. Because people want to just stick with it. They making money with them already, so they just stick with it. And they willing to pay the extra money just to stay with them. But there's a bunch of other ones out there, including this one here, which is only $25 a month, which is fantastic. I moved over here as soon as I could when I heard, you know what I mean? And reset up everything. And it's actually easier than ClickFunnels in my opinion. So yeah, if you're interested for that reason, all right? But ultimately, you guys are probably here to make money. So what we're interested in is how much money you can make, and you can make $20 to $100 monthly per customer, guys. That's $120 per customer, guys. A month. Get 10 people that do that. That's your rent money. All right. So yeah, that's all it is. It's real simple. They also get a charity if you're interested in that as well. Feed people in Africa. Sending meals over there. Anyway, guys. This really been kind of blowing up this year. So I'm gonna just go to Yes I Want In to try this out and see what we gotta do next. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so you just put in your basic information, real simple stuff. Go down here on complete order, get instant access. Okay. Now the first thing I want to show you guys, if you use my link, you can get the 14-day free test drive, guys. Now this right here is gonna pay you this right here is the premium. It's gonna teach you how to promote this product in a bunch of different ways that you want to try it out, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. It's basically a course teaching you how to promote products on certain websites, which is fantastic, and it's constantly updated. By the way, guys, don't buy a course if it's not updated, because rules change and things change real quick. I had something make me a ton of money one month, the next month it wasn't doing nothing because rules change. All right, guys, so if you bought a course last year on how to make money on, say, TikTok or something like that, and that course is probably useless right now because rules change, you know. So that's just how the way it goes. So don't ever buy a course that doesn't constantly update. That's what I'm trying to stress. And anyway, guys, you also get an AI content creation machine to help you create content as well. Blah blah blah. can get that for free 14 days. And the coolest thing about it, you get a sell HBA premium, you keep that $100. So there's literally no reason not to have this. So go ahead and get it, figure things out and stuff like that. Blah, get instant access. Now, what I'm gonna show you guys is the absolute easiest way to make money online. I have found easier than anything else I have found here, guys. You could choose to do this, and I make money, so you guys should make money too. It works for me. It works for some people a whole lot better than me sometimes, and yeah, you'll make money. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys. You go to my second link there, it's gonna say my lead gen secrets. Click on the link there, it's gonna take you here. Now, what is my lead gen secrets? Basically, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. You do get sales. These are real people. You do get sales as well. Very simple. It sounds too good to be true, but you do get sales. I have gotten sales doing this, and it's so easy. Once you get emails in the system, it's so easy. You just do this every day, guys. You come to a mailing system, you select all your leads. Once you make your account, you pick one of the emails that you don't send it. I'm gonna pick an email here that ChatGPT has written for us in particular, and we're just gonna load that up. Boom, our email is done, guys. That's it. And we're just gonna hit preview here. Now what this does, I'm gonna make sure my link works. If the link don't work, you can't make any money, guys, so make sure to always check that if your link works. And the other reason why I wanted to click on this is to show you guys the email itself. You could just copy this email in the system. I have no problem with y'all guys doing that. So that's why I'm letting you guys see it for a while here. Post that. You don't got to put a picture down there. I put a picture, but you don't need to. You can just put your name or anybody else's name or whatever. It don't really matter. Or you don't got to put no name at all, really. You can just say up cheers and that's it. So yeah, it works either way. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. So we're gonna send the email and we are done. That's all it takes, guys. Real simple, real easy. It takes actually, once you get to my lead, once you get enough emails in the system, it takes maybe about 15-30 seconds a day, guys. Really fantastic way, really fantastic easy way to make money online, to get you started, so to speak. Now once you get you started, once you got some money built up, the best thing to do, I personally think, if you want to put more work in, the most fundamental way to make money online right now, that's working really well right now for most people, is shorts. Shorts, guys, shorts. 7 to 15 minute short videos that you post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube in particular. Those three in particular. You can try Twitter, you can try Pinterest, you can try Facebook if you want to, but make sure to focus on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, because those are the ones that got the most chance of going viral. All right, so you can go viral in those three. I think Twitter has if you don't have the blue check mark, you don't really go viral. So that's all I'm trying to say. If you got the blue check mark, Twitter as well. Don't worry about how good it's edited. Don't worry about any of that. Don't worry about how well it's written. If you got the right stuff, if you got a good enough phone to record videos or anything like that, just do them and post them. Make sure to post them and post them every day. Post them every day. I recommend 3 or 4 videos per day, but make sure to at least post every day and don't stop. All right. Eventually, something's gonna go viral on one of your channels, one of your TikToks, your Instagram, whatever. Something gonna go viral. You can focus on it and just spam it, right? And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. And that's how you make a ton of money. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.